As you pull up to my mama's house, I know it's probably the first date you've always dreamed about. As we ran up to the front porch, I caught a glimpse of you. I stopped right there and pulled you close. That's the first time I kissed you. Now it's these memories I can't escape. So hard to understand or give a damn when I know I'm not okay. As the storm rages on, it reminds me that you're gone. This heart's so full of love, now full of pain, and that's why I hate the rain. Yeah, I tried to dodge the puddles in my long white dress. Everything that was unruly was still all soaking wet. But it didn't even matter. By the time I got to you, I just closed my eyes and held your hand as we both said I do. Now it's these memories I can't escape. So hard to understand or give a damn when I know I'm not okay. As the storm rages on, it reminds me that you're gone. This heart's so full of love, now full of pain, and that's why I hate the rain. Yeah, it's fitting that it should end this way. As I sit here on the lake in the grave. Now it's the